In this section of Inkscape Basics, we'll learn how to open a new document, how to create from a template, how to export or import documents, and how to save your own template to use it every time you open Inkscape. So when you open the window, Inkscape window, you should go to File menu and then use either your mouse or use your keyboard with Control N, or just click New on Inkscape, and it opens a new window every time you open a new document. So every time you open, you could use Alt Type tab to open the new document, or just use your mouse. And we've got open export on File menu, so have a look and check how every menu works. So if we zoom in, we can go on File menu, New Document, or Control N. Or you could use from a template. You could open an SVG document. So Inkscape uses SVG file type. If you've never used Inkscape before, this is a template, so you could use a defined template, whether that's 1920 pixels, or if it's for business card, or you could create your own template, as we'll see later on. You could save your own template and use it every time you use Inkscape. First, we go to document properties. So you have many options in here. We could use pixels, inch, millimeter. We could use A4, a business card, an envelope, an A1, A0. It's just many options. So we could change the background to clear background. You could change the border of your page. So you have many options to change however you like. We could show the border shadow or hide it. You could increase the width. So we could use export PNG image. You'll have to define whether you want to export the page, the drawing, the selection. It gives you many options, or custom export. So as you can see, we can just select the drawing or the selection to export, and you'll have to define where to save your document, set your destination, and then choose however you like to export. And if we go back to the File menu, we could go back to Documents, Setup, and set your canvas size. And then after you set your canvas size, you could save on File menu and use it as a new template every time you open. So you could use a pixel, or it's just the same thing. So as we've done before, just zoomed in a bit. So it gives you loads of options, whether that's a business card or you are designing a t-shirt. And saving your own template actually saves you lots of time, because you can define 720 by 1080 or 1000 by 1000, however you like, and use it every time. So save template, so you could name the template and use it every time. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.